Lean Six Sigma is a set of tools and techniques that help companies reduce waste, improve quality, increase productivity, and reduce variation in process performance. It has been applied in various industries, including healthcare providers such as Walgreens, military organizations such as Lockheed Martin, financial institutions like Bank of America, retail stores such as Walmart, manufacturing companies such as Boeing Company, and hundreds of other organizations across the globe. Here is a chance to have everything you need in Lean Six Sigma at your fingertips so that you can start improving your lean operations or revitalizing your Lean Six Sigma program. Learn how to use the Six Sigma methodology, Lean Six Sigma process. Learn about tools for performing a DMAIC project, including data collection tools, control charts, Pareto analysis, and more. All the tools are easy to use and come with instructions. We have a special offer for LinkedIn members. The Ultimate Lean Six Sigma bundle is available for only $299. This bundle includes 185 plus Lean Six Sigma documents, including 54 PowerPoint presentations, 2,400 plus slides, more than 50 tools, and a lifetime supply of new tools as we develop them in the future. This covers everything you need to know about the subject. It's time to take advantage now. Save thousands of dollars over buying all these tools separately. Download the copy of this bundle. Visit www.qmaxima.com.